Good morning to everyone student. Here we are going to see exercise 14.3 from chapter number 14 factorization class 8 NCERT Maths book. So dear student, in the previous video we had already completed the explanation of question number 1 and 2 from exercise 14.3. So here we are going to start question number 3 from exercise 14.3. What the question number 3 says? Work out the following division. Okay, work out the following division. That means whatever the division is being given, that division we have to solve it. Okay, so what is the question we are having? Work out the division. So first part of question number 3 is 10x minus 25 divided 25. Sorry, 5. This is the question we are having. So can we write this 10x minus 25 upon numerator upon denominator form? Of course we can write it in the form of numerator upon denominator. So 10x minus 25 upon 5. Now we are going to separate the numerator like this. Can we separate the numerator? Of course we can separate the numerator, isn't it? Now it can easily get cancelled. So here it will be 2 the 1 the, here it will be 1 the, and here it will be 5 the. So what is the number left out? Here 2x upon 1, in the denominator 1 we are not going to write. So what is the answer we are having? The answer for the question number 3 we are having as 2x minus 5. What is the answer we are having? 2x minus 5. Moving toward the question number 3, second part we are having. What is the second part of the question number 3 is 10x minus 25 divided 2x minus 5. This is the question we are having. So, how to solve 10x minus 25 upon 2x minus 5? This is the question is there, isn't it? Now you will say, me teacher, here is a binomial term will be going to be divided by binomial term, isn't it? So, how to separate the term? So, dear student, no need of separating the term over here, as the two term is being given over in the denominator. Binomial term will be divided by the binomial term. In such case, we are not going to separate the numerators. Okay. So, in this case, what we are going to do? We are going to write the binomial term divided by the binomial term is numerator upon denominator form we are going to write, and try to take the common to the term. What is here? 10x and 25. If we both 10 and 25 comes in the table of 5, if we are going to take 5 as a common, what is left here? Here it will be 2x is left, and here it will be 25 comes in the 5 table 5 times. So 5 is left. So did the numerator and the denominator become same while taking common? Yes, it becomes same. Now easily it will be get cancelled. So what is the answer we are having? The answer we are having as 5. Clear? So what is the answer for question number 3? Second part, the answer is 5. So when in such part, when you are not going to divide the term, try to take the common. जब आप कॉमन निकालेंगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो टर्म है वो सेम आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म है उसके जैसे, ठीक है, या न्यूमरेटर में जो टर्म है उसके जैसे, फिर आप आसानी से उसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ना सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, थर्ड पार्ट, नॉट द सेकेंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वी आर हैविंग 10y into 6y plus 21 divided 5 into 2y plus 7. This is the question we are having. So here 10y into 6y plus 21 upon 5 into 2y plus 7. This is the question we are having. We had written the divided form in the form of numerator upon denominator. Okay. After that, can we see that this 5 and 10, 2 will get cancelled? Of course, it will be get cancelled. So what is the term left? Term is 2y into 6y plus 21 upon 2y plus 7. Isn't it? Now we cannot get cancel any number. अब इसके बाद cancel करना मुश्किल होगा. So what we are going to do? We are going to look here. Nothing can be taken common in this bracket term. 6y 21. 6 and 21 both together comes in which table? Comes in the 3 table. So we are going to take the number 3 as common. So here 2y plus 7 is left. So 2y plus 7. Okay, because how many times 6 comes in the 3 table? 2 times comes. How many times 21 comes in the table of 3? 7 times. So that whatever the times come that table, that will remain inside the bracket. Okay. So 3 into 2 will be 6y. 3 into 7 will be 7y. So here You can see 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 will be get cancelled. 2y into 3 will be equals to 6y, which is the required answer. Okay. Moving toward the next part of the question will be same as this part itself. What is the question we are having? Let's see the third question. Third we have completed this now, isn't it? So it will be the fourth question. Fourth question is 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided 27xy into z minus 8. So look, here 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 upon 27xy z minus 8. We had written the term in the form of numerator upon denominator, isn't it? So first we are going to cancel this term, x will get cancelled. As we know that laws of exponent, when the powers are same, when the base are same, the power will be get subtracted, isn't it? So here the power will be get subtracted. X to the power 2 minus 1 will be x to the power y to the power 2 minus 1 will be y. So what is we are having? Xy we are having. Here 3's are, here 9's are. In table of 3, 9 comes 3 times, and in table of 3, 27 comes 3 times. Again, sorry, 9 times. So again it will be get cancelled. So what is left? 1 upon 3 into 3z minus 24 upon 3 upon this one 3 into z minus. Okay. Now can we take anything common from the numerator, because z minus 8 is a term which we cannot take anything common. But in 3z minus 24, 3 and 24 both together comes in the table of 3, isn't it? So we can take 3 as common in the numerator. So 3 into xy, when we have taken common, z minus 8 is left upon 3z minus 8. So here 3 and 3 from the numerator denominator, z minus 8, z minus 8 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. What is the term left out? The term is x1, which is the required answer. Clear to everyone? So dear student, in this way you have to think and solve it. ऐसा नहीं है जब अल्फ़ाबेट दिया है तो वो अल्फ़ाबेट के कारण वो हार्ड हो जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको थोड़ा सा बस दिमाग लगाना है और उसको सॉल्व करना है. Now the last part of the question, as we are having long division in this, 96ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 3030. Okay, directly I am writing it in the form of numerator on denominator. 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Isn't it? Now, you can see here 96 and 144. Can you cancel the number? 96 cancel in the table of 2. How many times? 2 8, you will get 4, 1 6, how much? 8. 48. 144 is the you will get cancelled. Here it is 48 and 140 that means 7 2. Now again you can cancel it by the table of 2. Here 2, this one is 4, 7 that means 3, 6, 1 carry 36. Again here it will be 12, here it will be 1 and 8, 18. Again it will be 12, that means 6 times and 9 times. Now 6 can be get cancelled by the table of 3 by 2 times, and here it will be 3. Now again it will get cancelled 2 upon 3. ये जो 96 upon 144 है उसको हमने 2 के टेबल से कंटिन्यूएशन में काटा, लास्ट में 3 upon 9 बचा, जिसको हमने 3 के टेबल से कैंसिल कर दिया, तो लास्ट में हमारा 2/3 बचा. ठीक है. Now after this what is a b c into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 3030. This is divided. What is that in the denominator? A minus 4 into b minus 6. This is present in the numerator and denominator, isn't it? Now what we are going to do? We are going to take common from the numerator, because we cannot take anything common from the denominator. Denominator से कुछ भी common नहीं निकलेगा, इसलिए कोशिश करेंगे कि numerator से common निकल जाए. अगर common निकलता है तो निकालेंगे, नहीं निकलता तो we will keep it as it is. So here you can see that 2abc here 3 and 2, 12 comes in the table of 3 together. If we are taking 3 as a common, so a minus 4 is there. Here from this 2, if we are taking 5 as common, because 5 and 30 both together comes in the table of 6, in the table of 5 as well. So here 6, isn't 5 is being taken common. Now 3 a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now you can see that b minus 6 from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. A minus 4 will from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. 3 from the numerator denominator will again get cancelled. What is left? 2abc into 5. So answer will be 10abc is the required answer for question number 3. Clear to everyone? So in this way question number 3 is completed. Have you understood everyone? Next question number 4. Isn't it? Moving toward the question number 4, we are having what the question number 4 says from exercise 14.3. It is said that divide as directed. What we are having? Divide as directed. So divide as directed, that means जिस तरह से दिया गया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमको इसको डिवाइड करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फर्स्ट पार्ट 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. This is the question. So let's write it in the form of numerator and denominator so that we can easily solve it. Divided by 2x plus 1. So you can see that 2x plus 1 from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. What is there? 3x 5 into 3x plus 5. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको सॉल्व क्या होगा? अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे बस, इससे ज़्यादा वो सॉल्व नहीं होगा. ठीक है, अगर इसको अंदर आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं भी करते हो तो भी यहाँ तक का आपका आंसर राइट है. अगर अंदर आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो, अगर अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो भी आंसर आपका राइट होगा. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वी आर हैविंग एज 26xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided 13x y minus 4. This is the question we are having. So 26xy x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided 13x y minus 4. So x and x from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, as you know that 13 to the 26. So here one time, here it will be 2 times get cancelled. Now x minus y from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. What is that? 2 into x plus 5. ओके, सो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको सॉल्व क्या करो, अंदर उसको 2 को जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर 2 उसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. अगर आप नहीं भी मल्टीप्लाई करते सो ये दिस वन इज द आंसर. क्लियर? थर्ड पार्ट हियर 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P is divided by which number we are having? 104 PQ Q plus R plus P. So R plus P, Q plus R in the numerator denominator will get cancelled. Here PQ will be get cancelled. What is left out? We are having 52 R P plus Q. ये यही बस टर्म बचा है. आपका numerator में denominator what is left? 104. Now 52 we will cancel by the table of 2. 5 that means 4 2 times, carry 1, so 6. Isn't it? 12. Here 5 and 2. Again here it will be 330. Here it will be 26. So here it will be 1s, here it will be 2s. So 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5. This is the answer. That part itself is left. Rest other will be get subtracted. Nothing will be remaining. Okay, so that is 1 upon 2 r into p plus q is the answer. Clear up to here? Fourth part, 20y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5y plus 4. So here you can see that y plus 4 will get cancelled. Here it will be 5 times, 4 times. So 4 into y to the power 2 plus 5y plus is the answer. Clear? So dear student, in this way you have to solve each and every part of this question. The fifth part is again very simple part of this, not a very difficult question. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 will be divided by x into x plus 1, isn't it? So x from the numerator, denominator, x plus 1 from the numerator, denominator, x plus 2 into x plus 3. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 2x प्लस 6. So here will be x square plus 5x plus 6 is the answer. अगर if suppose we are going to multiply the number inside, otherwise this will be the answer. Clear? So in this way exercise 14.3 question number 4 is completed. Last question from the exercise 14.3 we will do in the next video. So for today, thank you everyone.